How to create bulk users on Microsoft Azure. How to create bulk user on Microsoft Azure. Come to Microsoft Entra ID. If you cannot find it here, just type it Entra ID. Then come to users, bulk creation. Click on bulk create. Now download. Click on download. Now click on this to open. Excel is good to open this. I would like to just expand this so that we can see it very well. Now let's just say, let's just name it test. Now that would be, let's check my user account. Let's go back. This is my primary domain name, so this would always be in my user account. I will just have my username with this. Let me go back to this so that you can understand better. Now this is my user account. This, let me put it here. Now let's go back. If you look closely, this user principal is just the same thing I copied, but with the name. So now we have test at, that's my account that I just copied, user account. Now there are the ones we are going to fill. They are the required one. You see required, can you see it here? Required. This you can see required. Let me expand this more. Required. This is required. I see initial password. You see it's required. This is also required. You see required. All these, the rest, they are not required. So these are the ones you are going to fill, the most important ones that they are required. So I just want to use the initial password. Copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl C, come here, then, oh my bad, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, then come here, Ctrl V, and I'll just put no here. Now there's this little mistake I was making. I copied this default my password 1234. Now when I paste it, if you look at this place very well, let me go back up. There is a space. See, there's a space. Now when you copy this, you don't want any space. The default one, there is space. There is space. Can you see that? Look at this cursor here. Look at this here. There is space. See? But you have to leave the space. However, the ones you are doing, there should not be space. You see, no space. Let me come back to this. No space. But this, leave space. This, leave space. The one you are doing yourself, do not leave space. Now let me just copy this, then come here. Let me just drag this down to 12, then paste. Oh, I did not copy that. Copy, paste. Okay, good. Now just name this test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5, 6, 7, 8. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. No, that's okay. Yeah. 7, 8. Awesome. So, no, this should be 4. The way I copied it, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay, this is very important, the space. Now let's save this. Now I like to see, click on save as. Let me just put it on desktop. Let me name it. I should name it test block. Now save this as CSV comma delimited. It's very important, comma delimited. Then you click on save. Yes. Now let's go back to our Azure environment. Click on bulk operation, bulk create. Come here, click on test bulk, open, see file uploaded successfully. Then click on submit. Now in progress. Now succeeded, everything is successful. So let's close this, then refresh. Let's refresh. Now you see test 1, you see test 1, test 2, test 3, like we've added. Let's see. Now here is it. It's still loading. Test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, exactly as we added. It's as simple as that. Thank you.